How to turn on or enable proximity chat in Fortnite. Now, this process or method is just a few clicks away, and you should be able to use proximity chat on Fortnite. First is just go into your Fortnite dashboard where you can change the mode options. All you have to do is to switch it into Delulu into your mode options. So Delulu is actually a limited time mode in Fortnite that uses proximity voice chat for players. So once you've successfully switched the mode into Delulu, proximity voice chat will automatically be enabled. However, you just need to tweak around the voice chat settings directly from your Fortnite game. Go into your Fortnite profile, go into settings, and from settings, go into audio. Once you're on audio, check if the voice chat is set into everybody. Check the voice reporting, the voice chat method, the voice input device, and as well as the voice chat output device. Now you need to double check under the voice chat input device if this is set into the equipment that you attach into your PC so that it will provide you an output. And that's basically it. That's how you enable or turn on proximity chat in Fortnite.